All right, next thing on our agenda is to mount the analog controller. Here we have back our basic robot without the breadboard installed. The analog controller is going to go right about in this location. In order to actually install that, note that this screw does stick up a little bit, so we definitely want to make sure that we use spacers to separate it. In order to put this down, we need the 5/8 inch panhead screws. Those screws actually came in the analog controller kit, so we'll use those for mounting it down. I like to try to be a little bit of a rebel and try to do all four at once. This can be really challenging to get them all at the same time, but we'll see how lucky I am today. So I've turned it sideways so that I'm able to actually put the spacers on all at once. I've pinned these two with two of my fingers, and then I'm going to pin the bottom one with the bottom of my hand. I might even adjust a little bit so that I can brace the top one as well. There we go. So now I have all four of them so they don't slide out in case I tip backward. Then I'm just going to align those with the correct holes on the acrylic. There we go. And bang, it's in place. And so this would be the mounting position for the analog board. Again, we really want to make sure we have that spacer, otherwise we're going to run the risk of that bolt actually coming all the way up through and then touching underneath. So make sure you do include those spacers, otherwise you could be in trouble. And then these are secured using the same 440 nuts as we're well familiar with from the backside. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll see you again in the next video where we're going to mount the motor controller.